हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? मसीह में आप सबकी सलामती हो। वेलकम बैक एंड अदर वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में हम बाइबल मुकद्दस में से एक आयत सीखेंगे और एक गीत सीखेंगे। सो आए हम सबसे पहले प्रेयर करते हैं। आसमानी बाप, मैं दिल और दिल की गहराइयों से आपका शुक्र अदा करती हूँ। यीशु नासरी, आप शुक्रगुजारी के लायक हैं, हशमत और बुजुर्गी के लायक हैं। यीशु के नाम से आमीन।
Matthew chapter 4 verse 2. And when he fasted 40 days and 40 nights, afterward he was hungry.
During Lent, we fast for 40 days.
What does fast mean?
Fast means that we go without something we really like for a while.
Like video games?
Sure, but it could be something else.
That would be hard.
Yeah, speaking of hard, did you know that Jesus fasted from food and water for 40 days?
Whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
Whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
Whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights, and afterwards
What?
he was famished.
What does famished mean?
Oh, good question. Famished means he was very, 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 very hungry.
Oh, he fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
Whoa,
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights.
whoa.
He fasted 40 days and 40 nights, and afterwards he was famished.
We want to be like Jesus in every way. So during Lent we fast like him for 40 days. He fasted 40 days and 40 nights. He fasted 40 days and 40 nights. He fasted 40 days and 40 nights. And afterwards he was famished.
And afterwards he was famished.
Matthew 4 verse 2.
He was famished. Subscribe.